That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko. Smart to you. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart dishwashing paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Joseph. 5 years na akong Santon Plus Herbal Capsule user. Walang ibang gamot na nakapagpagaling sa aking cirrhosis of the liver, kundi Santon Plus Herbal Capsule lang. The best talaga.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santhone Plus Herbal Capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy.
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ng Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Gold.
Nga pala, may nabuhan ako ng bukol sa aking suso. Subukan ko ang Santon Plus Gold, 2 kapsula, 3 times a day sa loob ng 3 buwan. Lumiit ang bukol sa suso ko.
Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Santon Plus Gold.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santhone Plus Gold ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Boom, papaya, white rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Hello, beautiful people! Ako po ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. Matanong po ninyo, bakit panatag ang loob ko sa MX3? Dahil ito ay tested and proven na may alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen. Mga natural na nutrients mula sa mangosteen. Meron din itong seal of quality excellence at manufactured sa GMP at ISO certified na planta. MX3 is my choice. Tunay, natural at original.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3 Capsule helps avoid pain discomfort. Iwas sa sakit.
Ang lamig!
Tika, yakapin kita.
Sarap ng feeling.
Everest Air Conditioner.
Han, ano ever best place mo in the world?
Siyempre, right here with you. Everest Air Conditioners. Clean, healthy air. Energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest. Available in major appliance stores nationwide.
Ito ang DWWW 774 Manila, your ultimate news and music radio.
News, music, information.
Sa bayang napapakinggan sa DWHD-FM 107.9 Dagupan City, Pangasinan. Joel Grospe, Darlene Olanyo, OMOK.
Tuloy tayo sa ating programa, partner.